We stopped at the seaside to take some beautiful shots from this beautiful island called Quarantine Island. If you haven't watched this video, please go to my channel and watch this, because you're gonna find such peaceful shots like this one. By the way, we couldn't stay there for too long. We left the seaside. We left the city. Because during this pandemic, we only have a few hours to go out there, to take the shots, and get back home just before 7 p.m. We drove up to the mountains, these green mountains. Now you may ask, what's behind these mountains? Now you may ask, what's so amazing about this village? Well, I gonna tell you. But first, let's have a little flight over this place. There are stories beneath these roofs. For example, most of the population of this little village are theater actors. They also have their own theater show. The first, the only village in Turkey that has such thing. They also have their own library, their own museum. Such cultural, educated village. Lots of the houses are using solar panels, as you can see in this shot. There's also a little bookstore named Hobbits, which is using the exact same font of the Lord of the Rings. They spend the profit of their sales for homeless animals. As I told you, there are stories behind these walls, which unfortunately I cannot show you because of this pandemic. The only thing that I could do was flying over it, around it. But don't worry, we're gonna get back here again as this pandemic cools down. With gonna get back and see the living of these awesome people between these green mountains. So until then, stay safe.